Come on, guys, now, Tuesday, early morning, feminist and, Tuesday by the time you guys seen the telling it is Winnie and, Winnie went to details of a beer, so, well, yeah. So, actually, I mean, oh, yeah. So, happy, to you guys, hope everybody join the, let part of the beginning of the, work Victoria. Really, for me is I'll be back to school with me good. Oh yeah. Yeah, but long that this period on the nose of for morning but yeah. But for now I am it's over first die for the ever be. So yeah, of course what I feel is now especially when Steven just clean for the system that's coming into full, yeah. And did you know 15 centimeters of flow should be always be, yeah. So man, but we'll still here's portfolio though, yeah. But yeah, but I'm expecting it's going to be close against Boba, but we'll see. But yeah, but for now all I know now is the schools are open to, but yeah, but because it'll be a 3-day week this week, but yeah, but we'll see. But for now I'm just going to join my yeah, and we'll talk to you guys later. If I oh, you guys now Leon in the now just after 3 p.m. now, yeah. It's just back out walking now, yeah. Of course just gone to Tommy's he's now, yeah. I just walk along beginning drive now basically no, yeah, just got off of Beverly, you know, yes. So yeah, so overall it was not a good day. It's good though. Yeah, we actually about social cues and being silly places spot. So we was in the workplace. So yeah, so that was a good topic to learn about it. But yeah, but on that I pretty much got to walk back with me, and I helped out with some stuff, and yeah, and then that's pretty much all about. So yeah, so I'm not back home now. Yeah, and I'll pretty much join now. One more walk before the snow actually I'm just oh yeah, wait on. So just show you guys the side of the road we've since I'm not the only one walking over here, but it's gonna be yeah. I won't be the only one walking for these few miles. Oh yeah, so man, I think that's nope. But yeah, but yes, but at least it's one of the yeah. As you can tell by me with my wait for the cap of oh yeah, so man. So well, yeah, but anyway, as for the fucking going on, I just pretty much do the loop around Thomas. It's just in do the ritual soap up loop it and on my back to home with the stop by the soap drive picnic to the home. So yeah, yeah. So yeah. So that was pretty much stop talking now. Pretty much enjoy the rest of the walk. So yeah, and we'll talk to you guys my over to the show drive picnic Tuesday. Alright guys, so just me over to the show drive picnic Tuesday. Yeah. And here we can actually view my skin of consists me no young and penalties from over the yes. So yeah, so man, but we still got lots of snow melt over here, but of course what we but for land since I'm also coming tomorrow, but yeah. But nobody on the snowfall mountains, so it look like over 15 millimeters we found since from when last checked it this morning though, but yeah. So well, but yeah. But anyway, what we doing because bed at each time and get up early and everybody it likes me to come in though, but yeah, but if they say that they'll be screwed for that or if there's no it likes me to come on or say that then I'll go on into town for school as usual and yeah, and I told we would go back to one of the businesses that's owned by the home base on my school, but yeah. So it's very fun though. But yeah, and then on Thursday we would go to the actual home base building for school for the day pretty soon, but yeah. So that'll be good. They'll be having an Easter party. But yeah. So well, but yeah. So so will be a fun rest of the week though. Not like when we have the story for or not, but we're hoping there will be much to the Snowstorm 12, but yes, but we'll see if but yeah. But anyway, if this is story 12, then the plan for free to is that I'll go with Jimmy for the day. Oh yeah, or for more list depending on how much the lyrics there are 12, but yeah. So man. So I'll be it will be funny for Libby talk since it'll be snowing though, but yeah. So man, because living in snow is always so noisy about, so yeah. So man, but yeah. But listen, I'm on my follow stop of the walk now. So we'll pretty much just stop talking about pretty much finish my big until I head back home for this. So we'll talk to you guys at the very end of the vlog. Yeah, last year the past few vlogs have been short vlogs. I have been out much other than school this week. But I hope you guys enjoy this week's vlogs. Nonetheless, yeah. Well, guys, it's not night time now, yeah, and as you can tell by my bed now, waiting for another night though, but yeah. So mobile, it was another good day though, nonetheless though, yeah. So now it's ready to report though, but yeah. But at least we have the happy point on the week though, but yeah. but on the way, oh, with the snow coming, tomorrow, oh, I'm guessing the will be closest, but on the way, I'm also, guessing I'll be, looking to since it is a busy week for work as well. It's just got good Friday coming up though. But yes, so man, but yeah, but on the way up, pretty much try to find a way to take you guys along for the news. If not, oh, I'll pretty much do a few or a couple I say more views to from game group if that goes it twice well. But yes, so man, but by the way we hoping that the school goes it twice and also game group though. Yeah, because I do still want to meet new friends in Darwin and of course oh, and I'm also not having much luck lead, leading making new friends and getting a new girlfriend in the program instead. I mean as well the protocol and the game group. But yeah, and that's very depressing to know the fact that the dog's still lonely though. But oh well, but hopefully I'll find new friends or at least hang out with some current people that in the program that I mean in the game group or whatever. But yeah. Well, we just gotta keep on mingling first before I get some oh into any friendship or relationship or whatever. But yeah, for now that's all. And I'm pretty much getting myself set for bed now. Yeah, and of course, Tom, what I'm feeling is April 1st, April Fool's Day. But yeah, so hope everyone did oh pull some funny pranks for what is it April Fool's Day though. Yeah, also on April 2nd on Thursday is World Autism Day, which is for the for people with autism though. Yeah, because yeah, last last year on with autism day I got to meet the former health minister who got us through oh, COVID back in 2020 yeah, and and he signed the declaration for World Autism Day. Oh yeah, and that was pretty cool. That was shown and follow up type of event. But yeah, so but yeah, but yes, but on the way there will be another event like that oh for me for we oh tell them God or no even. But yeah, but yeah, so well, yeah, but yeah, but enough of that I better carry on give myself set for bed now and I'll pretty much talk to you guys early tomorrow morning and I'll let you guys know then what the plan is for school or worked for. Yes, so over out.